Hello everyone, this is me Prachi Sanotra, Indian Club Pie Chef and host, going to present Kadhai Pulao. So we have some ingredients. Quickly see the ingredients. Here I have a boiled rice, parboiled green pea, 2 onions, some garlic, coriander leaves, potatoes, parboiled cauliflower, carrot, tomatoes, some mushrooms, 2 to 3 green chilies, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of Deshi Ghee, salt to taste, coriander powder, red chilli powder, some cumin seed, some black peppercorn, and here I have a Pao Bhaji Masala. So we'll start up with Deshi Ghee. Black peppercorn and cumin seeds. Onions, garlic, once it's become little soft and pink in color, so we'll add our other vegetables, mushrooms, potatoes, our cauliflower and carrot. And our green pea. Add a salt. So once it's become little tender, we'll add our tomatoes and green chili. Add red chili powder, coriander powder and Pao Bhaji powder. Cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, our vegetable, everything is cooked and masalas already combined with our vegetables. We'll add our boiled rice now. Fresh coriander leaves. A nice mix. Done, ready to serve. Now we'll garnish with our almonds. Let's try this now. The flavor of all the masalas, all the vegetables, it's really good. You just try this Kadhai Pulao at your home and share your experience. Keep watching IGB Indian Grub Bite food channel with me Prachi Sanotra. See you in my next video. Happy cooking!